song there? I see a red bird looking at me. What do you see? What's that? What does a red bird see?
Sing your song.
What does a red bird see? What's that? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yeah, Abby, okay. Here, let's turn the page. Yellow duck. Yellow duck. What do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. I see a green frog looking at me. I see a purple cat looking at me. What do you see?
Sing your song. Sing your song.
What does a purple cat see?
What does the purple cat see?
Did you get any of that?
Sing your song. Sing your song. Sing your song. What's that? What is that? What is that?
Purple cat.
Sing a song. Mister, sing your song.
What do you see? I see a white dog looking at me.
Go sing your song.
What is this? White dog. I see a black sheep looking at me.
Noah, go sing your song.
What's this? Black sheep. Black sheep. What do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me.
Go sing your song.
What's that?
Go sing your song.
No.
Go sing your song. Please sing your song.